Model, 2018 Vauxhall Combo 2001.3 CDTI L1H1 EURO 6 needs turbo repair, no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 77,682. MOT, the 29th of July 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3 CDTI 95 PSE6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The servo is not spinning, so the turbo needs replacing. The engine starts and sounds perfect. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Someone will get a bargain. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very